Encryption is the process of converting plain text into ciphertext to protect sensitive information. It is a crucial aspect of modern data security. With encryption, data is transformed into a code that can only be read by authorized parties with the correct decryption key. At Sriracle, we understand the importance of keeping information secure, which is why we offer top-of-the-line encryption solutions to our clients. Our encryption technology ensures that data remains confidential and protected from unauthorized access. In today's digital age, the threat of cyber attacks and data breaches is ever present. Encryption serves as a crucial defense mechanism against these threats, providing a secure way to store and transmit data without the risk of it being intercepted or compromised. Whether you are a business looking to protect sensitive corporate information or an individual concerned about safeguarding personal data, encryption is an essential tool in maintaining privacy and security. With Sriracle's encryption solutions, you can rest assured that your data is protected against unauthorized access and theft. Our advanced encryption technology is designed to meet the highest security standards, providing peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. Don't leave your sensitive information vulnerable to potential security threats. Choose Sriracle's encryption solutions and keep your data safe and secure.